Hello everyone, we are from Gharda Institute of Technology, Department of Civil Engineering, and title of our project is Treatment of Domestic Wastewater by using constructed wetland coupled with microbial fuel cell. And myself is Shreya Manduskar, and my group members are Miss Pranali Jadhav and Miss Pooja Lad, and we have done this project under guidance of V.D. Kamble sir. It is general diagram showing constructed wetland coupled with microbial fuel cell. Aim of project is to assess suitability, applicability of constructed wetlands for municipal, domestic and industrial type of wastewater and to produce energy using microbial fuel cell. Objectives is to determine the usefulness of wetland for humans, electricity generation using microbial fuel cell, and to provide great resource of natural filtration and flood control systems to the human beings. Outline of project: determination of initial characteristics of domestic wastewater like COD, DO, pH, BOD, TDS, electrical conductivity, PO4, NH3N. Preparation of model of constructed wetlands in coupled with microbial fuel cell, that is reactor setup. Analysis of characteristics and comparison of results, and at the last conclusion. Materials required for project: electrical wires, external resistances 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 kΩ, graphite rods for anode and cathode, graphite granules 2 to 5 mm diameter, sandstone gravels 3 to 6 mm diameter, plastic container 1 liter each, polyethylene liner, digital multimeter. Step methodology by using flow chart to determine the initial characteristics of domestic wastewater, preparation and setting up of constructed wetland reactor, checking out the characteristics of effluent sample by varying reaction time to find out the combination of parameters, comparison of results with initial characteristics in order to know efficiency, and to form conclusion at the end of the project. Characteristics of effluent sample. Reference paper: Ignacio Arneda, Natalia ETL 2018. Constructed wetland microbial fuel cell for sustainable grey water treatment. Preparation of synthetic wastewater. Type of water: grey water. Chemicals used are mentioned as below. Effluent wastewater characteristic table. Construction of reactor: stack of 12 small equal size constructed wetland microbial fuel cell by using plastic container was built. Volume of its container 1 liter. Total volume of stack 12 liter. 2 zones: anodic and cathodic. Sandstone and bottom and graphite layer above 8 cm as anode. Anode and cathode separated by sandstone. 8 cm graphite granule layer was placed as cathode zone, and one rectangular graphite was in anode layer and other in cathode, and vice versa, and electrical wires were connected. Reactor setup: as shown in figure, all 12 cells were connected hydraulically. Influent provided at first was collected at last 12th MFC. All 12 MFCs were given an anodic sampling point 2 cm above from the bottom. Cells were connected in series pattern. Anode of first was connected to second, and so on. Circuit was completed by applying fixed resistance between anode and cathode. 3 to 4 holes in liner were made. This setup diagram shows one reactor in detail and a stack of 12 reactors connected in series. Inoculation of reactor: creating favorable environmental conditions for the development of bacteria. Period: 45 days before actual study begins. Flow rate: 6.36 ml per minute, more than 1 day required to fill all the 12 cells. Organic loading rate: 2.4 kg per meter cube per day. HRT 3 days. Room temperature 25 degrees Celsius, and external resistance was applied accordingly. Design of constructed wetlands for our Gharda Institute of Technology. Design of wetland for Gharda Institute of Technology. Steps: population estimation, water demand and calculation of total water demand and conversion into wastewater demand, quantity of sewage coming at site, size and design of primary sedimentation tanks, sizing of wetland, cross-section area of beds, designing of wetland, media selection, bed slope, sludge driving beds, and details. Chart showing details of wetland that we have considered to design for our Gharda Institute of Technology. This is Jaltantra image showing location for Gharda Institute of Technology wetland, which is located behind GIT Girls Hostel. Conclusion. Effect of applied resistances on biological parameter. Removal efficiency at applied resistance was COD 96.3%, nitrate 84.3%, phosphate 45.3%, and it was higher as compared to the other treatment. Effect of applied resistances on electrical parameter. Current generated 2.12 milliampere, voltage 1.02 volt, average current density 0.176 milliampere per meter square, power density 18.3 millivolt per meter square. Applied resistances 1, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15 kilo-ohm, and less area was needed for this treatment, and treatment is useful for high strength. Limitations and advantages. Limitation. Large area requirement for horizontal flow. Wetland treatment may be economically relative to other options only where land is available and affordable. Design criteria is yet to be developed for various kind of wastewater. Advantages. It is low cost treatment and it can generate electricity and treat wastewater also. It is helpful for developing countries, and there is future scope for design of effective constructed wetland treatment. Thank you so much for hearing.